Your mind is powerful, more powerful than you realize. Every day, your thoughts shape your emotions, your actions, and the direction of your life. But most people never learn how to work with their thoughts. They let their mind run wild, creating fear, doubt, and negativity that feels impossible to escape. I want to share something with you, a perspective used in psychology, sports performance, and personal development. It's called cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. You don't need to be a therapist to understand it. You don't need training. You just need awareness. Because once you see how your thoughts work, you can start steering your life instead of being dragged by it. CBT is built on one simple idea. Your thoughts influence your feelings influence your actions, and your actions influence your results. Change the way you think, and everything that follows begins to shift. CBT isn't about pretending everything is positive. It's about thinking clearly, thinking truthfully, thinking in a way that helps you move forward instead of holding you back. Here's something most people never realize. Your thoughts are not facts. Just because your mind says something doesn't mean it's true. Your mind can exaggerate. It can distort reality. It can create fear that isn't based on evidence. It can replay old memories and convince you they define your future. A CBT-inspired mindset teaches you to pause and ask yourself, is this thought actually true? Or is it just a story my mind is telling me? That moment of awareness is the beginning of change. There are common thinking traps we all fall into. Patterns that create anxiety, stress, and self-doubt. Catastrophizing where you expect the worst outcome. Black and white thinking where everything is all good or all bad. Mind reading where you assume you know what others think. Overgeneralizing where one event becomes a pattern. Emotional reasoning where you believe your feelings are facts. These patterns feel real, but they're not accurate. Seeing them is how you break them. A powerful mindset shift inspired by CBT is this: catch the thought, question the thought, choose the thought. First, you notice when your mind gives you a negative or unhelpful message. You don't judge it. You don't fight it. You simply notice it. Maybe it's something like, I'm going to embarrass myself. Second, you question it. Is this thought based on facts or fear? What evidence do I actually have? Is there another way to look at this? What would I tell a friend in this situation? You're not trying to be positive. You're trying to be accurate. Third, you choose the thought. You replace it with something balanced and helpful. Something like, I might feel nervous, but I've handled situations like this before. I can do this. This is how you start rewiring your thinking. And it doesn't stop with thoughts. Your behavior matters too. When your thoughts tell you to avoid something and you avoid it, your brain learns that avoidance equals safety. That's how fear grows. But when you take small, controlled steps forward, you teach your brain a new truth. Let's take a real example. Someone wants to go to the gym, but they feel anxious. Their thought is, everyone will stare at me. Their feeling is embarrassment. Their behavior is avoiding the gym. Now, the shift. They catch the thought, I'm assuming people will stare. They question it, do I have evidence? Most people focus on their own workout. They choose a new thought. It's normal to feel nervous, but people aren't watching me. I'm here to improve myself. Then they take action, maybe 10 minutes. That small step proves the fear wrong. Confidence grows, and slowly the mind learns a new pattern. This is how change happens, one thought, one choice, one action at a time.